Hi guys, in this video I will show you step by step on how to create this parallax intro effect using InShot video editor. Open InShot and create a new photo project with a blank photo. Set the canvas to 9:16. Change the background color to black. Now add your text. Make sure the font is set to blackout 2 AM. Increase the text size. And export the photo. Create a new video project and add your main photo. Set the duration to 8 seconds. Add keyframes at the beginning and scale up the photo. Move to the end and return the photo to its normal position. And it should look like this. Go to PIP and overlay the text intro we saved earlier. Clip it to the end. Tap blend and select lighting. Add keyframes at the beginning and scale up the photo. Move to the end and return the photo to its normal position. Between the two keyframes, tap ease and select this one to make a smooth animation. So here's the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more InShot tutorials and much love I got for you. Peace.